What if I told you that the burger you're eating isn't what makes fast food companies rich? The real business is hidden in plain sight, and once you see it, you'll never look at McDonald's, KFC, or Burger King the same way again. For decades, fast food has looked like one of the simplest businesses in the world. A company sells burgers. Customers buy burgers. The company makes money. Simple, right? Not even close. Behind every drive-thru, every combo meal, and every dollar menu is one of the most sophisticated business models ever created. In reality, the world's biggest fast food chains aren't just competing to sell food. They're competing to build systems that generate billions of dollars every single year. And that's why thousands of restaurants can operate under the same brand while being owned by completely different people. Let's start with the first secret. Most people think companies like McDonald's own every restaurant with their logo. They don't. The majority of locations are owned by franchisees. These are independent business owners who pay huge fees for the right to use a famous brand. Imagine opening your own restaurant from scratch. You have to create recipes, build a reputation, design a menu, market your business, and hope customers trust you. A franchise removes much of that uncertainty. People already know the brand. They already trust the food. They already recognize the logo. That recognition has enormous value, but it comes at a price. The franchise owner usually pays an upfront franchise fee. Then they continue paying royalties based on sales. Sometimes they also pay rent to the parent company. That means the corporation earns money even though someone else is doing the daily work of running the restaurant. It's a brilliant model. The local owner handles employees, inventory, and operations. The corporation focuses on expanding the brand. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Many people believe the biggest expense in fast food is the ingredients, but food often represents only a fraction of the total cost. Labor, rent, utilities, marketing, equipment, maintenance, packaging, these expenses add up quickly. That's why companies spend years engineering every tiny detail. Why are menus so carefully designed? Because they influence what you buy. Why are combo meals everywhere? Because they increase the average amount each customer spends. Adding fries and a drink costs the company relatively little, but significantly increases revenue. Even restaurant layouts are carefully planned. The kitchen is designed to minimize wasted movement. Every second saved means more customers served. More customers served means more revenue. Now let's talk about one of the biggest misconceptions in business. Many people say McDonald's is a real estate company. And surprisingly, there's truth behind that statement. In many cases, the corporation owns the land where the restaurant operates. The franchise owner pays rent. That creates another steady stream of income beyond selling food. Owning valuable commercial real estate also gives the company long-term financial strength. As cities grow, the land itself often becomes more valuable. So while customers see burgers, the company also sees appreciating assets. Another reason fast food businesses succeed is consistency. Whether you're in New York, Tokyo, London, or São Paulo, customers expect a familiar experience. The same logo, the same ordering process, the same flavors. That consistency builds trust, and trust reduces hesitation. People are more likely to buy from a brand they already know. That's one of the most valuable assets any business can have. Technology has also transformed the industry. Mobile apps encourage repeat purchases through rewards programs. Digital kiosks reduce ordering errors. Delivery partnerships bring restaurants into customers' homes. Artificial intelligence is beginning to optimize inventory, staffing, and even drive-through operations. The goal is always the same: serve more customers, more efficiently, at lower cost. Because in business, small improvements repeated millions of times become billions of dollars. So what's the biggest lesson from the fast food industry? It isn't about burgers. It isn't about fries. And it certainly isn't just about soft drinks. The real business is creating a system that can be repeated thousands of times with predictable results. The strongest businesses don't rely on luck. They rely on processes, brand recognition, efficiency, consistency, and smart economics. The next time you drive past a fast food restaurant, remember this: you're not just looking at a place that sells meals. You're looking at a machine designed to generate wealth through branding, real estate, franchising, operational efficiency, and customer psychology all working together. And that's why the business of fast food is one of the greatest economic success stories ever created. If you enjoyed learning how businesses really make money, subscribe for more videos where we break down the economics behind the world's biggest companies.